Hey, Dobby the Fixing Elf here, and welcome back to the channel. And now it's time to find out what's in the toolbox. In the toolbox today are these HUAQI 8-inch slip joint pliers. As you can see, they've got this nice slip joint in them, slips it in and out, allowing to grab different size items and fasteners. So yeah, they're a nice set of pliers. They're one of my favourites, to be fair. I use them all the time. And like I said, they've got a nice wide opening, which you can use for all sorts of different things. So I've prepared a little quick demonstration. I'll put some footage in a moment of this in action in a real work life setting. But for now, on the smallest setting, you can easily grip a 10mm bolt. You can see, perfect on that. No matter which part you grab it in, this part or that part. You can also grab A13. You can see, similar again. And it also goes all the way up to the big sizes. So this is a 17. Let me quickly just move it around. Nice firm grip, even in the jaws at the front here. So yeah, it's a very useful little set of pliers. As I said, there'll be some footage of it in action in just a moment on a couple of jobs that I've used it for that I've filmed. And yeah, let's show you that now. You can see the pliers in action in real life work now. This is from the gear linkage I did on the Peugeot. As you can see, it gives you a nice bit of length to reach in there and grab the part you're looking for. And then there's also a bit of footage from the Suzuki wiper linkage I did. I've used this from many other jobs as well, but yeah, quite a useful little set of pliers, as you can see in this video. I've used these two little examples really. Here's a little close up of the pliers, as you can see. There are the jaws. Nice good teeth on this, very strong. I'm not quite sure what it's made out of. I'm pretty certain it is a tool steel though. And yeah, nice. This is the whole slip joint. So my final thoughts on these pliers. They're really useful. I like the length they give you. I like the grip. And like I said, I've used them quite a fair bit. I really enjoy them. I should have mentioned before the handles, they have them dipped. So you can see just there, it's got two colours. So I had a rubber dip and this nice soft over-moulded grip on top. Yeah, overall I really enjoy using them. And yeah, great little pliers. I highly recommend picking yourself up a set. Thank you for watching until the end. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, why not drop a like on this video? If you have any questions about this video, or any of my other videos, why not ask in the comments and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. If you want to see more from me, why not subscribe to the channel? And with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and have a sensational day.